YouTube, what it do? FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. And today, I got a good video in store for y'all. Today, I will be showing you how to do a ball fade with the 1.5 on top. Boom! So y'all stick with me. FadeMasterLos here. Hey, before I go, make sure you go ahead and click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. It's only gonna make you better. So y'all stay tuned. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go. If you're interested in any of the tools that you see in this video, click the link down below. The best tools you can get. So let's get it. I'm gonna show you how to do this ball fade. As you can see, this is the before. Look like it been a minute since he had a cut, but we ain't gonna pay that no mind. We're gonna get straight to it. Step one, go ahead and comb it out. Comb the hair in the direction that it grows. We're going to do this all the way around the entire head. Step two, we're going to go ahead and start our ball line. And we're going to take this line all the way around the head. Now, don't worry about removing the hair off just yet. Just go ahead and get that line as close to perfect as you can. Now, we're going to go ahead and remove the remaining hair around. And as you can see, it's not 100% perfect, but we're going to clean that up to make that line perfect around the head. So I guess that'd be step three. Clean the remaining hair up. Now, sometimes I take another pair of trimmers that may be a different brand, and I go back over and try to clean it up a little bit more than what the first pair of trimmers did. You can do this, but it's not mandatory. Now let's jump to this fade. We're gonna take our 2 guard, which is the 6mm, and we're gonna go all the way up a little past the parietal ridge of the hair. Now, for those that don't know what that is, just kind of look and see where I'm going, like right where the top of his head starts. I'm taking that 2 all the way there. And then I'm gonna come and I'm gonna go with the grain with the 2. Even though we're doing a 1.5, I wanna play it a little safe in the beginning with the guard that's just a little bit bigger. Make sure you keep all the hair out your client's face. Now, next step, we're gonna go ahead and go with that 1.5, the 4.5mm, and we're gonna go very close to where we went with the 2, but just a tad bit under, maybe like a millimeter or 2 under where we just were at. And since the 1.5, also known as the 4.5mm, since that's the desired length for this haircut, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the grain with that 4.5mm, as you can see. And don't be afraid to use all your tools. As you can see, I grabbed the cordless Andis Masters and threw that 4.5mm on top of it, and just took a little bit more time to get it more clean, more even, and gave it a couple more strokes on top just to make sure we get it as clean as possible. Next, we're going to take that one guard, the 3mm, and we're going to take it all the way around the head. Go about 1 inch up from where the fade starts. Now, once you finish with the one, we're going to take that one all the way off, and we're going to open that lever up as far as possible on the clipper, which would kind of give us a half guard, and we're going to take that all the way around, about 1/2 inch around the head. Once you complete that, we're going to start playing with that lever between open and halfway. Then we're going to throw the half guard on the 1.5mm, and we're going to start with that halfway open. And we're just going to tap it just a little bit to eliminate that line that we created with the open. So we're taking that half guard, the 1.5mm, and we're just cleaning up from the open and the one, which I previously showed you. Now, once you complete that step, we're going back with the guard off of the clipper, and we're going to play between halfway and close just to remove that bottom line. As you can see, the blend is starting to show. It's starting to become faded. So y'all stick with these steps. We're going for the 2, or I'm gonna go like this. We go from the 6mm to the 4.5mm to the 3mm to open, no guard, to back to the 1.5mm to back to open. And that's gonna give you a pretty blend. Now, I'm not gonna go into details about the lineup and all that. I really just wanted to focus and emphasize on the fade. So if y'all want to know how to do a lineup, I can show you how to do another video of a lineup. And also, if you want to learn how to enhance a line, just drop a comment down below. I can show you that. I did not enhance a line this video, but also I know how to do it. I do it for a lot of my clients, but just for this particular client, he likes it natural and organic. I definitely appreciate y'all for watching. Now, I wouldn't recommend y'all doing this with your trimmers unless you're very experienced. A lot of room for error. And there you have it. You should get a blend very similar to this. 1.5 on top, faded all the way down. Y'all stick with me, FadeMasterLos. Make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. I appreciate you for watching. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct.